Hey y'all, I am Myra, and if you are new here, welcome. I really welcome you and I embrace you, and I hope you find what you need and want on my channel. So, in this video, I am updating you guys on how things are going with me doing hair at home outside of the salon. I have been working in the salon since 2017, so that's been 5 years. It's 2023. So yeah, it's been 5 years, and this is my first time. Actually, it's not my first time doing hair. It's my first time back. You know what? I take that back because I did do hair during 2020, during COVID, when everything was shut down, and I needed to make a little money, and people were asking to get their hair done. So why not? Especially if I feel comfortable with you, and that's the thing right now. I'm only doing clients that I've had for a while. I haven't been doing any new clients unless it's like a client of mine who brings like their child or their partner or one of their friends, and it's something like that. I don't mind. No really new people who want the works. And I've only been doing a lot of braiding, really. I haven't done a lot of services that needs shampoo because I don't have the shampoo bowl. That is what's, I plan on getting one, because honestly I don't know if I'm going to go back into the salon unless it's my own space. So yeah, I'm still kind of just holding back on things. Sorry, the baby woke up. But as far as the future, I am going to be continuing to take clients at home and do classes, more classes. I want to do more classes, just to spread my gifts, teach my talents, and share what it is, my knowledge on what I've learned about natural hair and braiding. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the future. I'm actually going to add in a clip of my upcoming class that I have for next month. Tickets can be purchased on Eventbrite. And if you want more information, you can comment below of what it is you need me to elaborate extra on. Stay tuned in this video and you will see how a lot of the things are going for me. I have been recording the good and the bad. Check it out. Working from home is good. I really enjoy it. It gives me the space that I need to tend to my baby, and the space to have her be free, because of course she's a baby, so I don't want to distract any other clients, any other stylists that may not feel comfortable with hearing my baby cry sometimes, because sometimes she does cry. She is a baby. So being in my own home and space it's perfect for me right now. Though I only tend to one client per day, it still sets me up to tend to my baby like I need to. And sometimes I go in my room and feed her because she's so alert and she wants to see everything that's going on around her. She will literally stop eating to see what's going on behind her. So in order for me to make sure she eat and we don't take too much time on that, I go in my room. And now y'all see how I set up the hair? That's 3 packs of hair. I love to set the hair up like that because I don't have to stop and restock the hair. And there go Libby and her move. And she has those moves. And being at home is best when she has those moves. Now my client here came with her hair a little damp. She shampooed it already, but it was a little damp. which was fine because I needed to stretch it out to my liking. She had it stretched out a little bit, but it wasn't stretched out enough for the braids she wanted to get. Now she wants to get those Fulani Flipover braids. Y'all seen them? They cute or whatever, but I just feel like it's too much work for no reason. You got cornrows and then plaits in the front. And I guess if you want that extra hair in the front, we could just crochet some curly pieces up there for you to have that. But, you know, they want what they want, child. So get them what they want. Y'all see my little baby? Hey, girl. Hey, my mamas. Hey, baby. Oh, hey, I see you. I see you. Yes, I see you. Now, sometimes when Libby wants to be on me, she doesn't want to be in the swing, I will put her in this carrier. And this is my favorite carrier. I have another one, but this one I like better because it just feels more secure. But those carriers are just straining on my back and my neck. So here these braids go, child. They cute. I wish I would have got a better video, but it was late, so we were just trying to hurry up and get it done. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in to my video today. Let me know if y'all got any other topics you want me to talk about. I thank y'all.